Visualize your future. You can become the person you want to be. Take some quiet time and spend a few minutes focusing on your future self. What do you imagine you want to be like? What activities do you see yourself involved with? Describe your vision. Time to describe your vision about your future in writing. Take a piece of paper and let your imagination flow onto it. Draw if you must. Write it down with words, if possible. Make it so detailed that you can simply show it to a close friend and they will understand what your vision of the future is. Which skills will bring you closer to your vision? Gather what you already know about your ultimate goal. Which skills will it require? What do you need to know more about? Which abilities will you need to improve? How much improvement do you need? Starting from all the information you have gathered so far, think of the improvement you will need to make to reach your goal. What will bring you to a good enough level? What will make the goal possible? Set your priorities. Now that you have a set of goals that will facilitate your success, put them in order of priority. Which improvement needs to happen first, in order for other improvements to be made? Which improvements are prior requirements? Getting from point A to point B. Take yourself forward by starting to work on your first goal. It doesn't matter how small steps you are making, as long as it is forward. Make the best of each day by creating opportunities for success. Chase your goals. Personal SWOT analysis. Just like any business venture, your personal scenario development needs an analysis too. SWOT is an acronym for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. Write down several of each on a piece of paper using different color pens or pencils to get an idea about where you are standing. Plan for rewards. A key to changing your behavior, keeping yourself motivated, acquiring new habits and self-improvement is to reward yourself for every effort you make toward an envisioned goal. So take each opportunity for celebration and feel good about your efforts. Record your progress. Remembering everything that you have strived for will be progressively more difficult as your strides increase with the passing of time. So, make it a habit always to note down what you have achieved so far. Review and revise every once in a while. Go back and look at all the things you have achieved in the process of reaching for your envisioned goal. Be introspective while in retrospect. This revision will help you find out more about what went wrong so that you will avoid making the same mistakes in your next try.